Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first of all, first method for this operation, you can just open phone application, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also the serial number of your device. And the second method, you just have to open settings, go to the about phone section, and here you can find all of these informations. Here you have IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in the model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.